Who's the electrician that did that? Look at this fur coat. That's a quality strap. That ain't going nowhere. Hey boy, tie that thing down. All right, so today we're installing a 2.5 ton carrier system at a really nice house next to a church. Really nice couple. I really appreciate jobs like this because sometimes you get those nasty houses. Check a couple of my old videos out, you'll know what I'm talking about. But today we had a really good install, went really well. Proper procedures all the way around, braze with nitrogen, pull down a good vacuum, decay test, blah, 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 blah. You name it. Just stay tuned. Give her the old pump down action. Okay, we got an uncased coil, changing it to a case coil. We're removing this humidifier. And we all know this saddle valve is just gonna fail. So we're gonna have to figure out something to do about that. But other than that, pretty straightforward. Okay, we got this panel loose. There's our coil, not in good shape. Some solder. Probably not stay bright 8 either. What are the odds that saddle valve actually turned off?
Not much.
We're about to find out. The answer is no. It did not. All right, we turned the water off. We gotta get a cap for that saddle valve. After it drains, we'll do that, we'll put that on. For now, we're gonna go back to this line set. It was empty, so we're gonna get this out of the way. Look at this fur coat. Looks like they washed that side. So she's a little big. We had to move that. We still have to take those up out. No big deal.
We do have a dog though.
We have 2 dogs though. 2 new helpers today. This one's lazy. This one's even lazier.
I am lazy.
Oh, that about took my mouth off. Oh, was this supposed to be holding that? Maybe use some plumbing strap next time? I don't know. Some metal strap of some sort. So we're not like... That's a quality strap. That ain't going nowhere. Hey boy, tie that thing down. I don't know who did this, but it's absolutely beautiful. They made notches for the existing furnace screws. They said, screw the next guy completely. At least they insulated though. We got the saddle valve capped. Just going to get some rags. We're going to wipe this super dry, see if any new water comes. But I think we're good. All right, we got it all tore out. This was an absolute pain to get out. As you can see, we had to straighten it up after the fact down in the basement. Got all those moved. We can rebuild it a little bit more over here. Got the line set out. I want to know who did this. Who's the electrician that did that? Anyways, we're gonna get some rock so we can level this pad, run the new line set. By 18. So this front one's got to be bent down, and probably the side. Nah, probably just the front one. Okay, we got this folded down. We got foam tape, insulating tape on the sides. The front, as you can see, is a little bit higher. So I don't like to put foam tape on there. I just put a bead of silicone on the front and around the sides. I'm gonna cut this extra slack off before it's all said and done. Coil set. We gotta strap the plenum up, make it level. Got my transition made, not made, but measured out. Needle. Alright, right now we're bending in the inside. We got it strapped up. 190 right there, 145. I got this 90 marked out to bend me in. Put the filter dryer right there. Okay, so we're fitted up. I definitely cut this one like a 1/2 inch too short. So now it won't stay. But once I braze it, it'll stay just like that. Propping it up for now. Setting up the nitrogen. Torch in a backpack. Got the wet rag, nitrogen. And the shredders are out, caps are off. Okay, we're gonna leak check it for about 30 minutes. It's about 305 PSI. Got the metal on, made that patch. We just gotta finish the exhaust and intake. All right, so we got the pump from the 1800s. 1/4 inch hose. I need to get a bigger one. Ball valve. Our shredder is pulled. Shredder core removal tool. Micron gauge is the furthest away from the pump. And we got 205. I'm gonna isolate it from the pump. And we'll see how far this jumps up. If it jumps up. And it's not so far. Stay tuned. Okay, it's not jumping up. That's a good bet. Let's see what kind of temp split we got, what kind of pressures we're working with. Okay, we got a 25-foot line set. 6 ounces. And I guess it's getting 7. That was touchy. Exactly 20. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I didn't get a lot of clips today. It was Friday. I was just trying to get the job done. Plus the homeowners were there the whole time. And then right next to the church, there was a lot of kids and soccer, people outside. A lot of things going on, but that's the video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you learned anything, probably not, but leave a like. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.